Welcome to our Ice Maker Challenge. Today we are comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the EUHOMY. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, but which one is the better choice for your needs? Let's dive in and find out. Let's start with the price. The Sweetcrispy ice maker is priced at $59.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the EUHOMY, which retails for $89.98. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, the Sweetcrispy might be the way to go. Next, let's talk about material quality. The Sweetcrispy is made from plastic, while the EUHOMY features a sleek stainless steel design. Stainless steel not only looks great, but may also offer better durability over time. Consider which material aligns with your preferences. Finally, let's examine the unique features. Both machines have self-cleaning functions, but the EUHOMY also includes a see-through window for monitoring ice production and operates quietly at under 45 decibels. These features may enhance your user experience, especially in a social setting. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and EUHOMY ice makers offer excellent ice production capabilities. Your choice will depend on your budget and preference for materials and features. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.